Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Vivian. So in today's video we are making this beautiful dress you are seeing on the screen right here. It's a very simple dress with Batwing sleeve, and the tutorial is very simple as well. If this is what you're interested in learning, please stay with me. And before we get started guys, let me like this video, drop a comment and subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. Let's get started. So guys, to start with, my fabric is on fold. Okay, this fabric, it shifts a lot, so I had to cut out the measurement I needed, and then I folded it into two. You can see this side, this is for back and this is for front. Okay, it's on two fold into two. I have to cut out. The way I did it is that I had to take out my shoulder measurement and the sleeve length this side, and then this side I measured the full length of the dress and just added like 1 or 2 inches, and I used it to cut it out, because if I place all the materials I won't be able to take the measurement. It will keep shifting. So now the first measurement I want to take is from this line I've already drawn here. I will mark my hip point. My hip point is 24, so I'm going to mark 24 inches here, and then I'll take the full length of the dress. The full length of the dress is 40 inches. It's 39 actually, then plus 1 inch for hemming. That's 40 inches, so I'll mark it here. So I'm going to draw these lines. I'm going to bring the lines this way. So now I'll be taking the neck measurement. The neck width I'm using is 3 inches. And the neck depth I'm using for back is 2 inches. When I'm done, I'll cut the front neck depth, and I'll just curve it like this. I'll marking my shoulder measurement. My shoulder measurement is 15 by 2. That's 7.5. So I'm going to mark it here. From this 7.5, I will determine the full length of my dress. The full length of my dress is 22 inches. But because I'm putting cuff, okay, the cuff will take about 4 inches. So I'm going to minus 4 inches from that 28 inches, 22 inches, making it 18 inches. So I'm going to mark 18 inches here. Then I'll add extra 1 inch. Then I'll add extra 1 inch for joining, and that will make it 19 inches. So I'll just mark 19 inches here. Then from this side I'll come down by 1 inch for shoulder slope. So I'm going to join it to the neck depth. Then from here I'll come down by the wideness of the sleeve. The sleeve wideness I'm using is 12 inches, so I'm going to place the whole 12 inches from here or here. I'm going to place the whole, because I'm making gathers, pleats in here. So I'm going to place the whole 12 inches here, and I will join the line together this way. Then from here I'll come in by 1 inch. This 1 inch will serve for stitching. Then I'm going to place my measurements here. My hip measurement is 38 by 4. That will give me 9.5 inches. So I'm going to place 9.5 inches here. I'll add extra 4 inches for ease. I'll add extra 3 inches for ease. And then 2 inches for sewing allowance. So whatever I have here on my hip, I'm going to place it on this hem side. So I have about 15 inches here. So I'm going to place that 15 inches here. Now I'm going to go ahead and bring this line down like this. It's not going to be too curvy and at the same time not too straight. So I'm going to be doing it this way. And then join it to the hem side. And that will be all. The line is not too curvy and is not too, and at the same time not too straight. You can see what I did here. So I'm going to just follow the line and cut it out. Then when I get to this place, I'll raise this place up and cut the neck. I'll cut here is 2 inches. I'll cut here first, then after that I'll come down by 1 inch again and then cut it. And that's all. It's as simple as that. So when I was done cutting it, this is what I have. I have to remove the back side to work on the neck of the front side. So for the front side, I'm coming down by 1 inch for the neck depth, and then I will connect it back to the neck width and then cut it. So guys, we are done with the cutting aspect of this tutorial, and the next step is to go ahead and start stitching. So now I'm going to open this front side very well. Let me zoom it so you see what I'm doing. So I'll open it very wide, right side facing me up like this, and then I will go ahead and place the back side on the front side, right side facing right side. And when I'm done arranging it, I'll go ahead and stitch these 2 shoulders like this, and this one as well. So when I'm done, this is what I have, and I've already gone ahead to pipe the neck side with bias. You can pipe with the material, whatever you want. So now I'm going to stitch this side. Starting from this point, I'll stitch it down, and the other side as well, I'll do so, and then I'll hem the hemming side. So I'm done stitching it. Okay, I've also hemmed this side, and this is what I have. So the only thing remaining now is the sleeve. I've cut out this piece for the cuff. So now I'm going to join it to the sleeve, and when I'm joining it, I'll be making a little pleat on it as I'm joining it. Okay, so I'll be pleating it when I'm joining it with the cuff. So I'll go over to sewing machine and do that right now. So when I'm done, guys, this is what I have. You can see that this tutorial is as simple as whatever you can think, and trust me, this dress is very comfortable and very beautiful. This is the outcome. You can see how the pleat is. It doesn't take much time. You can do this within 20-15 minutes, trust me. Okay, so this is the final product. You can see how it's looking on my body. I love it so much. It's a very beautiful and simple dress. You can wear to any occasion. You can wear it for church, for wedding, or outing. It's very beautiful. So guys, if you watched to this end, please help me like my video, drop a comment, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please help me do so. Thank you very much for watching, and please turn on your notification button so whenever I post videos like this, you will get notified. Thank you, and bye bye. See you in my next post. See you when I post next tutorial video. Thank you very much once again. I appreciate you clicking on the video. Bye.